Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ifeoma Uche. If this is your first time seeing this pretty face, don't forget to subscribe. And if you do like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on your bell notifications so when I upload amazing videos like this, you will not miss out. So guys, today is a very special occasion. So Christmas came early for me and I got me an early birthday gift. This is the smell of victory with a touch of grace. So first of all, I want to thank God, my family, loved ones, and whoever God used to make all this possible. I know some of you are thinking it's just a phone. Well, it's not just a phone. It's not. Yes. As of last month being November, it was really rough. Like, let me gist you guys. So last month November, I think on the 1st, no, that was 2nd. On my way back from work, I entered a one chance car, like legit. It looked like a real, like it looked like a normal cab. There was a driver with a guy and a girl in front and another guy behind. So I got into this cab, and when I knew something was fishy was when they were supposed to go one direction and they decided to go up the bridge. That's how the guy at the back pulled out a knife, was like, and collected my bag. At that moment, you can imagine the fear I had in me. Like, I felt like they were going to kidnap me. You know, it's close to Christmas now. You know what they say about kidnap rituals? Like, I thought this is it for me. But the moment when they pushed me out of the cab, I wasn't scared. I wasn't hurt. I felt relieved. At least it's just my bag that they snatched. But my dear, the very next day, they didn't stop there. They didn't even stop there. The very next day, when I went to the supermarket, because they didn't take my AT card. I had my AT card at home. So when I got to the supermarket, I tried to pay with my card and I noticed my account was empty. I tried the second card. The card was also empty. That's why these people had cleared my account. Like, they decided to reset my financial life to zero just when December is approached. Like, they didn't want me to have a dirty December, but my God passed them. So now you know I'm very happy. It's worth it now. Like, just look at my brand new baby. My iPhone 11, brand new and shiny. So let me unwrap it, okay, and set it up. I'll be right back. Ooh. Oh my God, oh my God, my baby is shiny. Hello. Hola. So right now I'm restoring my data, my stuff that I backed up from iCloud, and I don't know how long this is going to take. Like, it looks like it's going to take forever. But all the same, once we're done, once we're don't set up before, put the screen guard, my SIM card and all, I'll be right back. See you guys soon. So guys, I'm done setting up my phone with the screen guard and phone bag because I cannot even use a phone without them. I'm an expert at dropping my phones. The camera is just lovely. Like, I'm so happy. This is dated December loading. You guys should prepare yourself for pictures upon pictures from me. So thank you guys for unboxing my phone with me and starting my Christmas. I feel like this Christmas is going to be an amazing one. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe by hitting the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to turn on your bell notification so when I upload amazing videos like this, you will not miss out. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.